Okay, in this question we have log of x to the power of 8 to the power of 14, and we want to rewrite it. So what we see is that the number that we're taking the log of has a power on it. Okay, and if there is a power on the number that we're taking the log of, you can move it out in front. Okay, so this is the reverse of what we did in a previous example. And you might ask, well, how do you know which way it should be? Well, you'll be told to rewrite it. If it's given in one way, write it in the other way. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to move the 8 out in front, and we just multiply. So we don't need any sign, we're just writing it next to the log. Log x, the power now has gone out in front, so we don't have a power. And then the base here is 14. Okay, so it's 8 times the log of x to the power of 14. And that is all there is to it. You just move the power down in front. You don't put in a plus or a minus or anything else like that. Don't do anything that's not here. Just move the 8 down in front. And the operation here is multiplication. It's going to be 8 times. Okay, so that is all there is to this one. Okay, just move the number down in front. Don't put in any pluses or minuses or anything else. It's just 8 times log x.